Are you tired of carrying all this big machinery, swords, guns, knives, more guns? Well then get the all-new handgun! The handgun is so great. It has unlimited ammo, and just for those who are skeptical about buying our products, it doesn't explode. It's not shooting.
Pull back the hammer.
Okay.
Shoot. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Are you okay?
I know. Where's my hand? Okay, we're gonna pay you some money so you don't say anything about the hand.
This isn't enough.
That's all I have.
Too bad. If you don't want your viewers.
Okay, here.
This is the shilling.
Whatever, I'll pay you back later.
Fine.
I will.
The handgun is so great! I recommend it to everyone who wants to die. Be safe. And for those people who are skeptical, it doesn't explode!
Hi, I'm Mr. Zucchini.
Hello, Mr. Zucchini. What are your thoughts on the handgun?
I think the handgun is a mighty fine utility for when at night the hyenas come out and try to eat my kitties. This is a test fire on the handgun. Okay, now I'm going to need some protection, obviously, because I don't want bullets flying at my face. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna fire in 3, 2, 1. It worked! It worked! Oh!
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy. In every life we have.
The handgun is so great. I know what I'm supposed to say. The handgun is so great. It has unlimited The handgun is so great. It has unlimited ammo, and just for those who are skeptical about buying our It's not shooting.
Pull down the thingy. I forget what it is.
Pull back the hammer.
This is the shilling.